Tip for today: stop getting in the job market as entry level or as a newbie. This is probably why you're not getting as much money as you should. Look, you're sitting on transferable skills and experiences. Use them for your past jobs. Quit discrediting your previous experience in your jobs. Find transferable skills. After finding transferable skills, gain new knowledge and new skills. Take a Udemy course, a Coursera course, and get little certificates for those actual skills that you actually need for a new job. Next, actually apply the skills. Do a hands-on project. Be able to demonstrate or articulate the use of that skill. Also, be able to speak about how you continue to skill up, how you're going to continue to be an asset and a person that's valuable to the role that you're going for. You got me? We're not entry level. We're not newbies. You got experience. Find it, use it, apply it, and go get that new role.